Hello friends, good evening. So in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the budget day. Tomorrow, which is 23rd of July, we'll have our budget. So how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed during the past budget days. This is basically an interim budget which generally comes after election year. So how I mean after the elections, the Lok Sabha elections are done. So we already had a budget on 1st February, which was like kind of quite growth oriented, and market reacted very positively after that. But now this budget will create, will be the major to look forward to because of the 100-day agenda which government had set up. Uh, I mean, um, the growth is looking superb for the country. The stock markets are almost near all-time highs. They have dipped a little, but yeah, they were trading at all-time highs. So what exactly can be seen here? So first, let's see Bank Nifty. Three, I'll just try to, if you can see my screen clearly, the ranges are there. So on 2023rd, the range was almost 2,525 points. On 1st February, it was 2,400 points. Bank Nifty was almost up 7%. This was the highest move on 2021, almost 7% move, and then 3% move on 2015. So, rest all the budgets we trade within 1% range. There are very few, like July 9th, we were down almost 9%. So, our main focus is on this, which is 10 July 2014, then 5th July 2019, and 23rd July, 2024, which will come tomorrow. So if you see here, 6 July, first let's see what happened on 5th July 2019 in Bank Nifty. So let me open TradingView, 5th July 2019. Let's quickly go and check that. This was a kind of, we made a doji, and the very next day the market corrected almost 3%. Bank Nifty corrected 3%. Now, mind you, this Tuesday will have that Fin Nifty expiry also, so can be a very very crucial day because options are can we'll see a lot of multi-bagger options coming by the end of the day. So this was a short-term top which we have made, and after that we had a decent correction in the market. And if you see, the next interim budget was on 10 July 2014. So this budget, interim budget, we were negative. Now let's quickly check 10 July 2014 what is happening. So it gives you a trend. What Gan used to see here also is kind of same thing. 7, 8, 9. Yeah, this was 10. Market was correcting before it, then formed a big doji again, and then the very next day it was again down to 3%. So this is very very important, right? So after two interim budgets which we have seen is, the market is correcting from the starting, or it made a top and then it has seen a correction. So the bias for us will be on the negative side based on the past condition. And one important parameter which you can look for is, look at the open price of the budget day. Above budget day open price, the market will keep going up. Below that it will keep coming down. So this is about Bank Nifty. So our bias will remain little bit on downside. Once it breaks the Monday's low. The reason for that is very simple, because of the last two interim budget. Because market goes into interim budget with a huge expectation, as you can see here, the market has been rallying before that, and from there we have seen if little bit of expectations are not met, you react violently on the downside. So Bank Nifty, we can see at least 3% movement in the next after budget, like within 2 or 3 trading sessions. This is what it is showing. Now let's quickly go to Nifty. So Nifty budget day range is here. You can see we have 29 budgets, 14 we close positive and 15 we close negative. So let's first focus on, again same thing, 5th July we were down almost 1%, and 2014 10 July we were down almost 0.2%. Let's see, again both days were negative. Let's quickly go and check how the markets have reacted at these point. So again we'll go here, let's open the chart of Nifty here. Yep. And we are looking for, first let's go to 10 July 2014, then we'll go to 5th July again. Kind of doji, the very next day Nifty corrected almost 2%. So probably we are seeing after interim budget, after the budget day is over, we are seeing a big move. So that is also something which you need to keep in mind. That day we might form a doji and do that 05th, Again, 5th July, Nifty saw a significant price correction, and the very next day again it was down 2%. Right? I mean, this was the start of a downtrend in the market in both cases, for 2014 and 2019. Obviously, the market recovered after that, but eventually, immediate trend looks to be on the downside. So this is something which we need to keep in mind. So now, let me quickly show you how markets have reacted in the past budget. So, I have some data for you. 2021 was very volatile. So this is the intraday data. I mean, we use our master indicator, but you can see here. Generally, we have seen after the budget, this is where the budget speech got over around 12 o'clock, and from there we see a good trend coming into the market. Again, see here, around 12 o'clock made a top, little bit of consolidation and a big fall. So, yeah, this was where the budget speech around 12 o'clock got over, and we saw two immediately big candles. This was in 2021. And I wanted to show you of 2023 also. Let me quickly find. Yes, here it is, 2023. The budget was very good. Market went up, touched our GAN levels, and from there we have seen quite a sharp decline in the market. So this is how the markets behave on the budget day. The markets tend to be very volatile at times, and this is what we need to keep in mind. So if you see in the past two interim budgets, we have seen a negative movement. So similar kind of movement can be expected if Monday's low get breached on downside. And if you really want to, do intraday trading on the budget day, then always look at the open price. The open price, draw a line at open price, and if the open price is broken on upside, you can see a very good move on upside. Otherwise, the intraday levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty I'll be sharing. But this is what it is looking right now. The market will be very volatile, and we can see an important trend change as we have seen in the past two interim budgets on 2014 and 2019. Both days, the market made a short-term top and started its downward trajectory. So, will it repeat the same thing again? We have to see, but past data suggests so. We do that, and let's see how it behaves tomorrow. So I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined and trade with extreme caution. Thank you.